Okay guys, today is February 26, 2016. It's 30 minutes before market open, US market open, and we start to our live session. It's a DelTick Training Academy, and Michael Medikov, president and founder of DelTick, official partner of Ninja Trader. What we're going to start, we are looking at S&P 500. Okay, let's start with a daily chart. So what we got here, first of all, what I need to point it out, it's a 824. We all know what happened on 824, and it was big drop. So we opened minus $1,200 in Dow Jones, and since then we started to advance, started up and up and up. And so let's see what happened. Let's again make a 60 minute, and let's move to 824. So before we made a low, let's make here changing color, and right here, and broke. So it's already constituted. We're going higher to 50% level, level 2000, S&P 500, and then pull back to that level and broke it down, but again broke in that level. And what we might have here, okay, this line showing that above that level we're going to have it here. So pull back, even with that pullback, again higher low, and this is the first line, and we're going to get to that level. So of course we did, and broke it, and we're going to that level too, 2032, unless we take it out. And again, we just analyze what happened before. Yes, so we hit that level. And again, next level is here again, and our stop below that sink. So we hit that level too. So last level 786, we didn't make one, and it was a high. It was on 11.4. Okay, that support has broken. Now we're going lower, and what we've done, like make it narrow. Okay, we broke it lower and made another slight low, so it's a double bottom here, and that's where we are. And then from that level we started to advance up. So let's take a look on here. It's a Dow Jones Industrial Average weekly chart, 1 2 3 4, and assume here is a 5. So what does it mean? First of all, we are in a bear trend. We're still in a bear trend, despite we going to advance higher from that low. And just make a note. Here is 824. It's a weekly chart. So that low has never been broken, and it's only one index, Dow Jones Industrial Average, which hasn't broken that 824 low. Again, let's take a look on a 60-minute chart at the S&P. So 824 here, and it's been broken. If you take a look, here is a Russell 2000. So here's 824. 824. So it's been broken in a big way down. And what is shown here, guys, sorry for delay. I'm watching here on YouTube, so we cannot do anything here because it's like a 15-second maybe delay. So I'm showing, and you will see it in a 20 seconds what I'm going to and what I'm talking about. Okay, so again, from that one-on-one pattern decline from here to here and projected from here, we have 200%. We came to low, but we broke it in a big way here. So if we do this extension down and 100%, so 1272, 1618, it's by the way Fibonacci Queen setup, Robert Miner, and also I'm using that as a major setup for me. So three levels. One, and you see we hit it on our way back up and then decline to 100%. Now we broke it, if you see. So we're going up, we're going up. We will back in a moment for a TF, but again, what I'm showing here, 824 has been broken in a big way down. Okay, let's go back to Dow Jones Industrial Average. The bearish view, because we are in a bearish, bigger time frame market, and it will be constitute, we going lower if we going to take out that low. So if we see it's broken, then we're going down, and our target will be at least here. But if we going above that number 4, it means we have A, B, C correction, and we're going much higher. Then target will be on upside. So above that line, it's a some advanced technique. We going much higher. And again, it's right before everybody sees here. If you're going to back up above 18,000 on Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, now, how we trade it. Okay, take a look on a daily chart. It was a weekly chart. So here's the levels. As you see here, we're from that high to that low, we're inside of bigger range. All-time high and that 824 low on the Dow Jones. So we are inside, and we are just trading as a swing trades, and high, low, and we hitting, and we already hit it. We will see in a moment on our YM futures. It's been broken that level, 16.7, 14. Let's take a look. if I have it. No, I don't. Okay, let's make a chart. Okay, let's make a daily chart. So high, I guess, was here. It's a global chart, by the way. And 824, right? To our chart. Okay. So again, inside of bigger range, height low, we have range here. Change in color, okay, make it red. So what we got here, we broke 50% level. We broke it. And we broke it today. 23, 16. Yesterday after reopen, we broke that level. It means we going to get to here. So our trading strategy is buy right here, buy right here, broken level, and our target is right here. Okay, so that's Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's take a look on S&P 500 again. So here is a 60-minute chart, and let's make here. So from that high, all-time high, right, to that low, we broke that level. It means we go into 50% level. Okay, how we going to trade it? Again, it's on a bigger time frame. Let's do smaller time frame and okay, let's again change colors. Okay, so what we see in here, we see in here big resistance level, 1962 to 1972, and we will back into ES futures to see how it coincides with today's session. By the way, today we have reports. Okay, we got another level to 7.2. So same area of resistance. Once it's cleared, we're going to see that level and these levels if we're going to break it. if we're going to break it. Okay, time-wise, because we need to also consider time-wise. It's not shown here, but we have day of 29, which is a Monday, probably last day of, or today Friday, last day of advance, and then we're going to for a pullback. It could be not just pullback, it could be finished. This is our double bottom bullishness. So setup was here. So you see, double top, previous high, right? Double top, then decline here, closing gap right here, and then started to advance. So on a bigger scale, our target, again, it's the S&P 500. We will go to Forex in a moment. And you see here on a bigger scale. So let's make another one. So that's our resistances. And if we going to lower, if we, then no matter how high we go, if this level is taken, then we go in lower. And of course we will make retracement from that low to high, whatever it will be. Okay, it's again S&P 500 60-minute chart. Now let's go for yes. Okay, what is ES here? It's a daily chart. It's a 1961. 1961. Okay, let's go back to S&P 500. 1961, 1962, 1972. We are right at resistance. So that was closed yesterday at 1951. We are talking about, here's a daily chart, 1961. So it was closed 1950. It's ES. So we are above yesterday close 10 points. So on ES, on a bigger scale, high to low, 1831, it was previous low. If we go into that low, then we have another setup. Again, on a bigger scale, we're going to hit 1968, which is within our trading range. Our expected resistance, 1961 to 1970, 1960 to 1972 on S&P 500. But again, that line was broken. That resistance was broken. Here. And we're going here, right? Let's confirm with that high. Okay, again, remind you, it's ES, and let's make a retracement from here to here, right? and let's change colors. Okay, so what we got here, 1957, that level was broken. Again, it's a regular session, it's not yet started, it's 8:19, so it's 10 minutes. It will be open, and again here 1961.50. Okay, let's make extension. That low, that high, and what we have here. All right. Okay, one more thing. We had decline from here to here. Let's apply it to the top. %, is right here, 1959. You see. Here is resistance, 1958, 1959, 1960, but it's been broken already on a global session. And we will see how we open in 9 minutes. Okay, so it's it was S&P, yes. Okay, NQ, Nasdaq 100. 824, it's been broken too, but on a margin, only 10 points it's been broken. And then we have here level, first level broken, second one, and 43.11 is a 50% level from that high to that low, 50%, 43.11. Okay, let's take a look on a global session if we have it. Okay, NQ 2273, 4273, 4273. Oh, it's okay, so that's real time trading where NQ right now. So we're going to see 43.11, it's 40 points up from the level where we are. Better, let's switch to 60 minute to see how we do setup. So okay, we haven't broken that high. You see, it's only one index. Let's do this. So one-on-one pattern projected here, and that was target on the way up. Now it's a 60-minute chart, and again, if you're going to trade, it's better to trade other indices because it's been broken high, not Nasdaq yet. And but again, target's still on upside. If we going to break that high, so let's project where we might go. 27, and target's right here. Okay, so let's leave NQ and let's go to Euro weekly chart. Euro versus USD Forex, as you see here. and it's a weekly chart. You see we are bearish here. So all declines, let's make okay. Now on a weekly chart, only if we're going to take it out that high, then we're going to change our bearish view to somehow bullish. But again, it's a long way to go. It's a long way to go here. Okay, let's make smaller time frame. Okay, 120 minutes here. So that's low, 104. To that high, it's a long way there. And we have level. So it's on a way big up. So not even close. We came to 117, 118, 186 pips shy of first level. And now that's where we are. Decline. And again, we came to that low. We haven't taken that low, 104, you see. So we came slightly higher and started to started to advance. So that high to that low, first level is right here, and we came exactly to that, start to decline, broken. It means we're going higher unless we take it out. So we came to that level, 50% level, broke it. So we go into here, and next level is here. And so what we are looking on this smaller time frame from that high, 824 by the way, to that low, December 2. And now where we are. So we declined, again it's real time, we declined from 2 a.m. from midnight, and high was 110.72 and low was 09. So 1200 pip almost we declined. Now 109.66, right? So let's see where we heading to. Retracement, that low to that high. Let's change colors. First level is broken on the downside, so we head into that level. So what we're going to do, no matter how high we go, we already broke, by the way, that level. So what we're going to do, we're going to okay, we're going to sell it, and our target will be here, 109.27. So we're going for like 40 pips from where we are. But again, seeing that level has broken, so any advances is for sell short. Okay, so that's Euro, and let's take a look on the DX, which is dollar.
Order filled.
Order filled, it means we sold it short. And again, market is open. Let's see what's going on. So not yet. But we're going to see that level up. So what we might do, we might even do go long here whenever we are. Okay, buy stop. Okay, and our target is right here, so we're going to sell. We may do it from here. YM market buy. No. Oh, that's strange. Okay, it doesn't give me opportunity to buy, but let's see if it's going here. 76. So we going up to that level, and better to buy it right here, but again, it doesn't matter. We going to hit it. Okay, so dollar is trading in between range, and interesting thing, this decline July to end of October was right here, and 8/24, no, it's March 19, we came exactly to that level, which had been broken later, and here is low. And again, right now, unless this high will be taken or this low will be taken, we are inside of the range. So it's only, you know, scalp within some daily chart. So 50% here, and if we're going to break it, then we're going to see that level. And we're going to buy it, and we're going to see that level. So we might buy it right here. And this is our target to sell, because it's 61%. And again, if you're going to break it, dollar will be going higher, euro going to be lower, and what else? Okay, let's see TF. TF going to be, it's a daily chart, right? It's a daily chart. Okay, so let's do retracement here. It's way long way to go to 1072. Right now 1033. Let's switch to 60-minute chart. So on a 60-minute chart we see different ones, and that level, which is a previous high was taken marginally, and we're going to retrace it. So our probably level to buy is right here. Okay, let's make projection from that low. Okay, so we're going to go here or probably even lower, right here. So that's our target to buy. If we go okay, on a smaller time frame, what we can do to set our targets. So we have it here, and our target will be 1043 and higher, and probably that's our resistance, and first level 38.2 on a bigger time frame, much bigger time frame. So that's our resistance, and that's where we're going to be short. We stop above that area, because if you break that level, we're going to higher. But again, for now it's a sell short area. Okay, so that's where we are. Let's take a look CL, oil. Okay, so we stop right here. It's a weekly chart. It's a weekly chart. Let's switch to daily. So where we heading? We are probably heading to that level, but on a daily chart, we're going to see if that line is broken, that level is broken, then we're going higher, and target will be right here. Okay, so it's our first target after that line is broken, so it's long above that line. And let's make projection. Okay, 100% from that advance had been broken, and we're going higher, so we may extend our area, resistance area, up to that line 1618. So that's where we are. Okay, and that's it for today, and let's take a look the last one where we are on YM. We stay in same levels. So buy, sell, we are within range. And again, we are waiting for reports. Here is a DelTick Trading Academy, DelTick.com. It's under construction, by the way, but if you have question, then I may show you. Here is DelTick Trading Academy, Facebook, DelTick Trading Academy, and okay, also we have Twitter and San Mikey 1, and it's Caroline Borodin following also. So that's where I post under San Mikey 1 on Twitter. All right, guys, I wish you very healthy weekend. Good trading to all of you. Thank you very much. Until next evaluation.